In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design a LinkedIn carousel in Figma. First, open your design in Figma so you are starting from your main canvas. We'll create a frame for each slide. Go to the Frame tool and choose your size. 1080 by 1080 pixels for a square format, or 1080 by 1350 pixels for a portrait layout. Both work on LinkedIn. Portrait gives you a bit more vertical space for content, while square is a safe, versatile choice. With the frame selected, add a gradient fill color. In the right-hand Properties panel, switch the fill to linear, radial, or angular, and choose colors that align with your brand. Keep contrast in mind, you want your text to stand out. If your gradient is bold, consider lighter text. If it's soft, darker text will read better. Adjust the gradient handles to subtly guide the eye from headline to body copy. Next, add your text. Start with a concise headline that communicates the key idea of the slide. Then place any supporting subhead or short body text beneath it. Keep lines short and readable, and space elements so nothing feels cramped near the edges. This is a great moment to establish typographic hierarchy. Larger, heavier styles for headlines, smaller. Lighter styles for supporting details. Now enable Auto Layout with Shift+A on your selected text and containers. Auto Layout helps keep spacing, alignment, and sizing consistent from slide to slide. Set uniform padding and consistent gaps between elements, so everything flows in a predictable rhythm. If you are including visuals, Auto Layout will also help you maintain balance as content changes. Create your slides with intent. Make the first slide engaging. This is the hook that encourages a swipe. Keep it focused, clear, and visually strong. Reserve your last slide for a clear call to action, such as inviting readers to comment, visit a link, or follow for more tips. Make that CTA unmistakable and easy to act on. Duplicate your frame to build out the rest of the carousel, then customize each duplicate. Keep your structure consistent while swapping headlines, body copy, and any supporting visuals. This approach speeds up production and preserves a cohesive look. When everything looks right, select all frames in the correct order. Then go to File, then Export Frames to PDF. Order matters because LinkedIn reads the pages in sequence. Export the multi-page PDF, and you are ready to upload it as a carousel. Thanks for watching.